Everyone's got their cars parked here. The bridge was packed back there. Oh, it's pretty windy. So these are just the beginning little fronts. I think we've already had one band come through. It rocked me around a little bit in the old homestead. But yeah, I'm gonna drive around. I think there's some boats already washed up, so let's go find out. First things first though, gotta stop and get some beverages, you know, some hurricane supplies.
Seems like enough to knock out.
It's Modelo time. Oh boy. Alright, we're gonna go over the Little Torch Bridge here. Everyone's got their vehicles. Niles Channel. Ooh. It is white capping out there. That's Gulf side. This is Atlantic side. Not too bad right now. But I heard a report there's a boat washed up over here, so we'll go up to the next bridge. Alright, so now we're coming up to the Little Torch Bridge. Sorry, that was Niles. A bunch of people got their cars up because of the possible storm surge. So Ramrod Channel, I think. Oh yeah, there's the houseboat. Already washed up into a mangrove. It's about a foot deep right there. I don't know if that's on purpose. I hope not. Because that's going to be a little tough to get out. Alright, not too bad up here. So this is headed north on US 1, headed into Little Torch. Not bad. I'm going to spin around and head back south. Let's see. Already. So here we are up the Kemp Channel Bridge. Everyone parking their cars up here. Keep it out of them floodwaters if we do get some intense surge. Well, Kemp Channel doesn't look too bad right now, actually. But tonight, gonna be a different story. There's a bunch more cars, everyone all parked up. Alright, so now I'm gonna go over to some friends of mine, their house, and check on that. They're out of town, so let's go see what's going on. They're on the ocean side, but back in a bay, so shouldn't be too terribly windy or anything. But let's go see what the water's looking like, because tides are high. We got king tides going on still, high tides. Our high was at 5 p.m. and then our next mean high will be at 5 a.m. this morning, and that is pretty much when we're gonna start getting the worst of it. I think is probably around tomorrow morning. So let's go check. All right, my friend's place here. And actually, man, it's really calm back here in the bay. I should not be walking under coconut trees like that right now. That would have been bad if one of those bonked me on the head. Tide's not doing too bad. No crazy wind as of yet. Oh, tide is up over the seawall a little bit. Yeah, it's getting a little high. It's all right. Make sure the lift's unplugged. It is. What's going on here? Oh yeah, that shouldn't be in the water. This will float away. I think everything else is good. A little bit of standing water here, but see the boat ramp. Okay, here's some gusts. All the coconuts. Don't want to get bonked in the head. Ooh. Float. Shit. Did they put that there? Or did someone lose it? Yep, someone lost it. Yeah, it's blowing. All right, gonna go back to my place. Got the tree strapped up, holding on for dear life. Driving over here, looking at my boat ramp. Oh boy. Yeah. Got some breakers out there. Not bad. All right, well, I'll give you all some more updates later on. Maybe as the night progresses, who knows? If not, maybe I'll post a video tomorrow morning or afternoon, whatever, before I leave for my flight. Oh yeah, that's the other thing. I'm supposed to go out of town. Supposed to go up to the mountains, right where this storm is heading, actually, up into Tennessee, that area. So I don't know if that's going to happen. Well, it's going to happen, just probably not tomorrow. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I mean, if they're flying, I'm getting on the plane. No worries here.